School voiced their concerns, upset they didn't have any say in the matter. A Facebook page called Stop the Godwin Name Change has also popped up with more than 500 likes, along with a Change.org petition with more than 700 supporters as of this afternoon.
I think where the controversy comes in is some people are saying, let's not rename a school that already has a name. Let's keep that one and give one of those individuals to another school going forward.
All right, Diane Cho reporting there. Now, one note that we want to pass along to you this evening. We at ABC7 are proud to join our parent company, Sinclair Broadcast Group, in announcing a new scholarship program. The Sinclair Broadcast Diversity Scholarship Fund will provide financial support to college students interested in broadcasting, journalism, or marketing. The fund will award up to 10 $5,000 scholarships for each of the next 10 years. The awards will go to students from underrepresented minority groups who need financial help completing their education. It's our privilege to continue to invest in the future of broadcast television by helping students who want careers in broadcasting to complete their education. If you want to find out any more about this scholarship and apply online, just go to our website, which is, of course, WJLA.com.
All right, let's talk about the weather now. Storm watch takes us to the Gulf Coast, where many areas dealing with the worst non-hurricane flooding they have seen in decades. Heavily traveled Interstate 10 between Texas and Louisiana closed now, and it's not expected to reopen for at least 2 days. Storms late last week, followed by heavy flooding, are blamed for 6 deaths in Texas and Louisiana.
Well, we have this just into our ABC7 newsroom to pass along to you. The National Park Service has changed the dates again, this time pushed back the peak bloom dates for the cherry blossoms. Peak bloom is now predicted to start March 23rd and 24th. Last week, you'll remember, because of the warm weather, the dates were moved up to March 18th through the 23rd, but then the recent temperatures and the blooming phases prompted the change. By the way, ABC7 is proud to be a sponsor of this year's Cherry Blossom Festival, whenever they may be. We don't care. We're just happy to be part of it.
But the question, though, is if this is good news or bad news, because those who had originally planned, made their plans on coming, as most folks do, like a year in advance,
a little closer.
They like this new move, but folks who had changed their plans to meet the dates that we had said last week, they may not be so happy.
Yeah, exactly. You can't please everyone. That's for sure.
I just looking forward. We're going to have a couple mild days. Tomorrow into Friday, it's going to get chilly again into early to mid next week, and then warm up by next weekend. So definitely it's a trend.
That's a factor.
Okay.
Yeah. So we'll see what happens here, because that's going to kind of. I think next Thursday would be the next Wednesday is the 23rd, right?
The 23rd.
Week from tomorrow. So yeah, so it may work out just right this time. We'll
see.
All right. Weather-wise, we're in good shape here. The sun is shining finally. It's been a cloudy and cool day, but a little bit of sunshine. Even here in March, the sun angle is getting higher. Therefore, the sun intensity is getting stronger. So with that said, we jumped out of the lower 50s into the 60s very, very quickly. And that's what we have for you right now, looking live at the National Harbor. 64 now at Reagan National Airport. It's almost 10 degrees above average with a north-northwesterly wind at 9 miles per hour. Temperatures around the rest of the area range from 70 degrees in Stanton and Charlottesville, 63 in Culpeper, 61 in Frederick, still cloudy, and 57 in Hagerstown, 52 degrees in Annapolis. The sensor there at the Naval Academy, the winds are coming out of the northwest, so they're coming across the Severn River where the water temperature is really chilly. That's why they're only at 52 degrees. So for another couple of months, we'll continue to see wind direction near bodies of water drastically change the air temperature. 68 in Richmond now, 74 in Roanoke, sunshine, 79 in Charlotte, 63, a little cooler air behind a frontal system in Columbus, Ohio right now. As far as what's going to happen next, I think we're going to have a very quiet night around here with clear to partly cloudy skies. We're seeing evidence of that on satellite. Most of the clouds breaking up and moving out of the area, clear skies to the south and west. That's why the temperatures in those areas are so much warmer. Now with that, there's a warm front moving through central Illinois now, a storm center in front behind it. A tornado watch just posted now for a big chunk, the northern half and western half of the state of Illinois tonight. And of course, primary day in Illinois as well. So nothing immediately, but it looks like in about 3 hours, maybe about the time the polls close, this line of heavy storms could move in western parts all the way to Chicagoland a little bit later tonight. We'll deal with that front tomorrow in the form of a couple showers. That's about it. Overnight, though, partly cloudy, 43 to 50 degrees. And then as we work through the day tomorrow, we'll keep our eye on that cold front as it makes its way from the Midwest to our area. The futurecast now showing clear skies for a while, but a few clouds coming through in the morning. Temperatures, I think, will hit the 70s, but then late tomorrow afternoon, the front gets closer. There'll be scattered showers. Can't rule out an isolated thunderstorm even through 6 o'clock. But after that, looks like most of the rain should be east of town just a little bit after sunset tomorrow, with clearing skies returning.